And I want to bring up this Global Times tweet. This, of course, the Global Times is the international mouthpiece for the Chinese Communist Party. And as soon as we saw the cut and run out of Afghanistan, the editor-in-chief of Global Times tweets this: after the fall of the Kabul regime, the Taiwan authorities must be trembling. Don't look forward to the U.S. to protect them. Taipei officials need to quietly mail order a 5-star red flag from the Chinese mainland. It will be useful one day when they surrender to the People's Liberation Army. Your thoughts on the long-term consequences and what that tweet from the Global Times indicates, Secretary?
Well, Maria, the Global Times is a propaganda mouthpiece for the Chinese Communist Party, so that's just them poking fun at a weak administration in America. But here's the truth of the matter is this debacle will certainly harm America's credibility with its friends and allies. It's already being talked about. You've seen some of it publicly, but there's lots of talk in private about can this president, can this American leadership team, can they actually deliver? And so my wisdom would be this. So this is an enormous amount of damage to American credibility. How about starting today to rebuild that credibility? Help the Taiwanese close on some of the defense and trade deals that we started with them. Start actually delivering those weapon systems. How about announcing today that we're not going to show up in Beijing for the Genocide Olympics? We're not going to send our kids there and become supplicants to the Chinese Communist Party. These are the kind of things that world leaders are looking for. They're looking to show American resolve and strength. I hope that the Biden team has it within them to deliver on these kinds of clear actions, not just words, but actions that will convince leaders around the world that we remain a strong force, a strong partner. And that'll tell our adversaries a lot too. It'll tell them that you cannot challenge the United States without real costs being imposed on you.